Alright, babe, so let's get into this Starburst unit I had, you guys. I had this unit for literally freaking 5 months and kept forgetting that I made it. And every time I throw it out auction, I would find the wig, and because I would have it in this satin bag. So I would find the wig, and then I would be like, oh, well, do I feel like auctioning this off? No, I ain't auctioning this wig. No, Hunti. Look good on me, okay? Alright, okay. Alright. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So let's get started. So I'm using Arctic Fox Poison on the red, okay? I did not blend any of these colors. I wanted to keep them very virgin-y. I didn't want to mix. I didn't want to give it in, okay? All right, so I am taking this and I am combing it through. I did comb it through with a brush, but as you guys can see, that color blended so freaking perfectly, even me doing it that way. Because you guys, it's multiple different techniques you can use. So I am going to take it through there and I am going to massage that through. As you guys can see, like I said, the color is magnificent. I only wanted it on the ends. I didn't want to keep my yellow roots, my 613 roots. So I sectioned off the top portion, and then that created this nice blend that I have over here. So it took the color up into the wig instead of just on the bottom ends. And I did that with pretty much every color, especially up here in the front parts, okay, Hunti? And let me fix my camera. Alright. So same exact thing. I'm just taking it and combing it through with the comb. Like I said, you guys, it's a lot of different techniques that you can use to put color onto hair. It's not just one, okay, Hunti? You can use combs, you can use brushes, you can use your hands. It just depends on whatever your vision is. Allow your vision to guide you. Allowing your vision to guide you will guide you to something like this, okay? Okay. So, but allowing your vision to guide you really, for one, it teaches you a lot of different things that you may not learn in a class, and as well as what better way to learn than from experience. And from my experience, I'm teaching you guys, okay? But yes, so exact same thing. I had this pink is, why I can't think of the name. It's so crazy. It's right on the tip of my tongue. It's an Arctic Fox pink. I don't want to get the name wrong. I'll just put it up here. So whatever pink that was, it's a really pretty pink. I can't. So I can't think of it. It's such a pretty color. Whatever. It's right here. Okay. Don't come in my comment section acting like I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. All right. But the color is so pretty. It's the Arctic Fox color right here. I'll pop all the Arctic Fox colors on the screen. Actually, this one I didn't use an Arctic Fox color for the orange. I used orange marmalade because I like Arctic Fox orange. However, their orange is really dark. It's a sunset orange. So I needed that really light orange. How this one came out. This one is called orange marmalade. As I said, guys, I am putting these colors directly on here. A lot of time I will mix my colors. This time I did not. Okay. It's what it is. That's why you see all the other colors over here. And you see the yellow right there. It's the yellow for me, baby, okay? Alright? So, of course you have me sitting here playing around with the wig. Why not? Alright? Okay. So, I was going to do the ball cap method with this, but I decided not to do that because I was actually going to cut a bang into this wig, which I'm still going to do, and you guys are going to see on there. But I just put the cap on, and you guys, of course, you always see me putting glue on my edges, and it's because I don't snatch my wigs off. You will never catch me snatching my wig off. Sometimes, but 99.8% of the time, I will never snatch my wig off. Like, I have to be very irritated to snatch my wig off. And even then, I will only snatch my wig off if it's already lifted. Like, if it's already halfway off, I'll snatch it off the rest of the way. But if it's just glued straight down like how it is now, I'm not doing it at all. So I did use Isha glue because for some reason I couldn't find any of my clear glues. I don't know. I went out of town. Maybe they're in my bag still, because I haven't unpacked that much, okay? So I am going to cut out my ear tabs. For the most part, you guys, like when I make my own wigs, like this one was a stock wig. So when I make my own wigs from start to finish, I already had that part cut out because I'm not about to be up here cut behind my ears. I already can't see, okay? All right, I'm already blind. So I'm going to cut this front piece and then cut all along the edge, okay? Now, normally I do like to put foundation up under my lace. For some reason, I didn't do that this time. but I did put it on top, you guys will see, and I like how that had came out as well. So cut all that lace out from up under there, and you guys, you see for some reason that Isha glue just wasn't working all the way, so I did go ahead and put some extra got to be spray on there. Those two do work really good together and does not create any white spots, okay? So you will still be able to see the scalp, okay? So I'm going to take that. Of course, you know, we gotta let it dry. Got to be freeze spray usually only takes about a minimum of 2 minutes to dry. I mean, a maximum of 2 minutes to dry. It's very fast drying, like very fast. You will not have to worry about nothing crazy, okay? So yeah, let's get them sideburns done, hunty, okay? Sideburns. So y'all have to do my sideburns and my edges really thick, because as you guys see, my own edges are really thick. Like even with me cutting my hair, my edges are still really thick, and I have to do anything that I can to hide those, okay? Especially with the blonde wig. Now with a black wig, I might skimp a little bit, okay? All right, I might have it just a little bit further back, just a little tiny bit, tiny bit, okay? All right. So I did need to, like, when you are using that got to be spray, you do have to comb out your edges. Like, yeah, I had to comb it out. Now, and I did not use anything to tie it down. I just used my hands to hold the lace down. So my favorite mousse, hunty, this is my favorite mousse, okay? This will help you keep your edges intact. Well, as long as you have that wig on, honey, okay? All right? And your edges will not go nowhere. They will be there. They will be there with you through thick and thin, okay? But longer than everybody. I'm just playing. So I did not pluck this wig before I put it on. I should have, but I didn't. So what I did was girl, you just see me just pulling the damn hair out, okay? Pull the hair out, pull the hair out, pull the hair out, pull the hair out until it was thin enough, and then I swooped it around. So shoot. Now I did have, like when I first did it, the edges were too thick, so I did go through, pull them down, and then cut them some more. As you can see, you don't see that long red string right here, and this right there. So I did go ahead and swoop that through, okay, baby? Swoop. Get those swoops. Y'all, I don't care what it is for the most part. Almost every wig, I put edges in, okay? I like baby hairs. Oh, well. You do what you want with your own wig, okay? But I love my edges. I love, like, even when I used to do my own hair, like I don't know if you guys ever get a chance to follow me on my personal page on Facebook. It's the exact same name, Lachey Triel. I literally, like, all of my old photos, like even when I used to do all my buns and updos, extra dramatic baby hair, baby hair. I used to have fun with them edges, girl. I still do, okay? So I did cut this wig a little bit because it was like down here, and you know, like a lot of time, like those stock wigs, like they'll say bob, like when your vendor tell you like, oh yeah, I got bobs in stock. They're bob, they cut them, but they don't cut them right, okay? So I cut it to my own liking. Okay, and yeah, it came out really cute. Came out super cute, okay, baby? All right. Now on this side, I did cut this one down at a diagonal because I wanted this hair a little bit pointier out. So it is slightly uneven. I did that on purpose because I wanted it cut like bam, okay? Bam. So when I take them pictures to the side, they like bam, okay? All right. Oh my God. Why nobody told me how good coconut water was? Coconut water is the shit, baby, okay? All right, coconut water. I'm putting it over here. Coconut water, okay, baby? Coconut water, okay? That shit, I thought I loved silk drops. Oh, baby, silk drops move over. Coconut drops, it is. I mean, what is it? Is it coconut? Coconut water, it is, okay? I'm talking about coconut drops. Coconut water, it is, okay, baby? Because it made my hair so silky, as you guys can see. Today is the day after, so I did my hair last night, and as you can see, it's still nice, silky, moving. And look, hair fall right back in place. Okay. All right, bam. Okay, all right. It does not make my hair frizzy. I don't know what's going on with this part right here, but maybe when I get shaking it around, it does that. But it does not make my hair frizzy. So I did take my flat-ons and I twirled them, y'all. So I twirled them down like this, and then I go around, So I twirl it down like this, and then I go around. Okay. So all the way until I got to the tippy top. Okay. And you guys, that freeze spray did help with building this nice, excellent, beautiful bang. Okay, baby. It did help with creating all of this height. Okay. Yes, heights, 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 heights. So you guys, the easiest way that I do like to cut my bangs, I don't cut them to the side. I pull my hair up and then I cut them and then I let them fall late as they fall. Okay, baby. And as you can see right here, right now, I got the little Donald Trump thing going on with the Donald Trump hair. Wow. That's how I looked at the time. And it's so funny because I was on FaceTime with my friends. I'm like, yeah, I got that Donald Trump bang. No, I don't support that man. Anyways, it was just a funny joke, okay? But, hunty, let's get back into this. So, regular makeup, primer, foundation, concealer, setting powder, different things like that, y'all. I'm only good at doing my own makeup, and a lot of times I still fuck that up. So no, I'm not a makeup guru, I'm not a makeup artist. I wish I was. Get them extra coins, baby. Okay, all right. For anybody that is, I would love to follow me. Any makeup artist, follow me. So I need some tips, baby. Send me some tips on Instagram. Okay, all right. So I did have this neon pack that I got, so that's what you see me putting on my eyebrows. And then, you know, gotta shape them out, baby. Gotta shape them out. Okay, alright. And then, what did I do next? I don't even remember. Oh, okay, so I did take the rest of the foundation that I had and then put it in here because it makes it look a lot more realistic when you put the foundation in there, as long as the glue is not on there. Now if you have glue like residue up under here, because of course you want to clean that, but if you have glue residue up under here, up under your lace, that will show on there. But for the most part, I did a very good cleaning around the edges and everything, so I didn't have any glue residue on there. So that that foundation made my stuff blend in. Oh my god, hunty. Okay, what? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, all right. So like I said, a little bit of concealer, you know, it's so funny. Remember, like I only literally started playing makeup and doing makeup just for YouTube. Like, like I wear it in real life a lot of the time now, but for the most part, like before I even got on YouTube, girl, I ain't care about no damn makeup. I used to be like, I'm already cute. But I had to stop being that way because now I'm cuter. And with all my babies that are always cute, always cute. Everybody's beautiful, okay, baby? I love you guys. I love you, beautiful babies. Yes, hunty. I wish I hurry up. I need, oh my god, like, blend, girl, blend. Damn. It's getting to the end, y'all. Hold on. I'm just playing. So nice blend up under the eye, baby. That's ooh. I already did my makeup earlier, okay? Alright, I took it off phone with the stick and I already did it earlier, okay? But look at that blend. Y'all, I'm getting so good at that part. Ooh, that part just scared me so bad up under my eyes. Because I used to have insomnia so bad, so it's like I got permanent like dirt spots up under my eyes. I get it fixed when I get some more money, y'all. Help me get 1 million, okay? And I get them fixed. I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding, honestly. So I did learn that the setting powder does help, because I ain't think none of that shit help, truthfully. I always thought setting powder just alright, setting powder. I never even like ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that and blend that in, baby. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and shake some of it off. Shake it off. Because I got a tendency to put too much setting powder on there, and then my cheeks look so pale. So I'll have to take them and then just go off